Evergreen Bets Review. Evergreen Bets is a monthly subscription service that offers selections of the best football picks that can make you money. Before I was using this service, I had a hard time figuring which selection I should pick. Even after picking one, 8 out of 10 times I end up losing money. But all that has changed ever since I start using this service. I was able to increase my ROI to over 120% and I have been steadily making at least £400 every week now. What I like about Evergreen Bets. The best thing I like about this service is the accuracy of the selections. On average, I win 7 out of 10 times, so it is quite reliable. 10-day trial available. What I did not like about Evergreen Bets. The sales page of the official website doesn't tell you much about the service. I guess it wasn't necessary as the site do offer a 10-day trial subscription. So if you're skeptical like I was, give it a try and see if the selections work for you. Overall, what do I think? This product gets 2 thumbs up. If you're into football and you want to make money betting it, this service can really put the odds in your favor. You will experience more frequent winnings and your life will be less frustrating. If you're sick of betting on the wrong team, you seriously need this service to give you that extra edge. At the time of this writing, the trial version is still available. So go for it and score it big.